Ruled out na ang foul play sa pagkamatay ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. Pero resulta ng DNA test, ano nga ba ang kinalabasan? Ang detalye sa Politico Update ni Just Ignacio.
Ilalabas pa lang ang resulta ng DNA ni dating DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Sa pulong balitaan nitong umaga, sinabi ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla na batay sa investigasyon, nag-match ang fingerprint at photographs ni Cabral.
The problem was that the old photos and the new ones may discrepancy contact kasi we think that there was plastic surgery done beforehand. And so medyo magkaiba eh. But otherwise, all the biometric features show that it is her.
Muli namang nilinaw ni Remulla na ruled out na ang foul play sa pagkamatay ni Cabral.
Well, the postmortem examination showed extensive facial injuries on the right side of her face, extensive injuries on the rear of her skull, extensive injuries to her the right side of her rib cage and her hands. It shows a forward motion drop from the tip.
Unang naging person of interest ang driver ni Cabral na si Ricardo Hernandez na kasama niya noon sa Benguet. Pero matapos ang investigasyon, ayon kay Remulla, wala raw silang nakikitang conclusive links ni Hernandez sa pagkakahulog ni Cabral. Just Ignacio, Billionaire News Channel.